Imagine this. One day, you wake up and discover that Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, every city has disappeared. No markets, no schools, no roads, no governments. Only small villages remain. Sounds impossible, right? But something very similar happened in ancient India nearly 4,000 years ago. The great cities of the Harappan Civilization disappeared. For almost 1,000 years, India had very few cities. But suddenly, new cities began to rise again. New kingdoms were born. Powerful rulers appeared. How did this happen? Let's uncover one of the most fascinating chapters of Indian history. Welcome back to Study Simplified by Kritika. Today, we are beginning NCERT Class 7 SST, Chapter 4, New Beginnings, Cities and States. By the end of this video, you will discover why India's first great cities disappeared. What happened after their decline? What historians mean by the second urbanization? Why this period is called New Beginnings? Around 2600 BCE, India was home to one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, the Harappan Civilization, also called the Indus Valley Civilization or Sindhu-Saraswati Civilization. The cities had well-planned streets, strong brick houses, advanced drainage and sanitation system. People traded with distinct lands and worked as metalsmiths, potters, weavers, builders, and other skilled craftspeople. But history had other plans. Around 1900 BCE, many Harappan cities began to decline. People gradually left these cities. Some settlements became much smaller. Many returned to village life. Historians call the Harappan period India's first urbanization because it was the first time large cities developed in the subcontinent. The possible reasons were weakening monsoons due to climate change, shifting or drying up of rivers, reduced agricultural production, decline in trade with other regions, overuse of resources. Now here's an interesting question. Did India stop existing after the Harappan civilization? Not at all. People continued living in villages. As farming improved, especially in the fertile Ganga plains, more food could be produced. The use of iron tools helped people clear forest and cultivate more land. Population increased. Trade expanded. Markets grew. Villages became towns. Towns became cities. Historians called this period the second urbanization, as it marked the rise of new cities. When new cities grow, people need leaders, rules, and protection. Slowly, powerful kingdoms emerged. New ideas spread. Great teachers like Mahavira and Gautam Buddha lived during this period. That's why this chapter is called New Beginnings. Quick recap. The Harappan civilization had well-planned cities. Around 1900 BCE, many of these cities declined over time. People continued living mainly in villages for many centuries. Later, improved agriculture, iron tools, and growing trade led to the rise of new cities. Historians call this the second urbanization. This era is known as New Beginnings because new cities, kingdoms, and ideas transformed ancient India. But here's the next mystery. Who built these new cities? Who ruled them? How did small settlements become powerful kingdoms called Janpadas and Mahajanpadas? We will explore all of that in Part 2. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Simplified by Kritika so you never miss the next episode. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring history.